Good day everyone, my name is Margus Martinez. I would like to present my speech, The Laughter is the Best Medicine. One of the best feelings in the world that brings so much cheer to our life is laughter. Laughter makes me feel good and everyone surrounds you will also feel the positive vibes. Even in difficult times, a laugh or even smile can ease the pain. It diverts our attention away from the negative vibes like anger, guilt, stress, and so on. Shared laughter with your loved ones can build unity, healthy, and lasting bonds. If you have problem, laughter heals your inner wounds and help you recover, at least in a brief period. If you're struggling, you can watch comedy shows on television and YouTube, and talking to your friends can also help you laugh because friends is always make you happy and cheer you up whenever you feel wrong about something. According to Healthy Hepburn, the most important thing in life is to be happy. That's all matters. Life is so short, so enjoy every single day that you're still on your feet and eliminate negativity. Spread love and positivity. If someone feels so down, try to make them happy because nothing can beat a world of full of love. But before you making someone else happy, make sure that you are comfortable also. Happiness is not something ready-based. It's come from your action. This means that the first step is accept what you are and who you are. It is not about having things you want. It is not about having a boyfriend or be famous on social media. Having a complete family will not make you happy because even if it is only you and your mother or brother, many beautiful things can happen. It is all about being you and true to yourself. Contentment is the best way to feel you happy. It means that you are contented with what you have. So, thank you for listening guys. Once again, I'm Mary Grace Martinez.